Credit cards today aren't just tools for making payments. They can also be powerful financial instruments that help you earn cash back, travel perks, or flexible points that can be redeemed for real value. But when you carry more than one rewards credit card, the key challenge becomes this. How do you combine them in a way that maximizes benefits without creating confusion or extra costs? In this video, I'm going to break down a step-by-step guide on how to use multiple rewards credit cards effectively, so you get the most out of every dollar you spend. Let's start with the basics. Before you even begin using multiple credit cards together, you need to have a clear understanding of your personal goals. Why are you interested in rewards in the first place? Are you looking for free or discounted travel, such as flights and hotel stays? Do you simply want cash back to save money on everyday expenses? Or do you prefer flexible point systems, like those offered by Chase, American Express, Citi, or Capital One, that can be transferred to airlines or hotels for more value? Knowing your goal is the foundation because it will determine how you prioritize your cards and how you build your strategy. Once you've set your goal, the next step is to use the right card for the right purchase. This is where most people go wrong. Not every card is created equal, and most rewards cards are structured to shine in certain spending categories. For example, one card might give you 5% back on groceries or dining. Another card might be designed to reward you heavily on gas and transportation. A travel card may give extra points for booking flights, hotels, or rental cars. And then, you might have a general cash back card that offers a flat 2% back on everything else. The trick is to know which card belongs to which category, and then make sure you use it only in that situation. That way, every purchase is optimized. Now, you might be wondering how you're supposed to remember all of that. One simple tip is to keep a note in your phone, or even label your physical cards. For example, you could mark one card as groceries and dining, another as gas and travel, and another as everything else. With a little practice, this becomes second nature, and you'll stop leaving rewards on the table. Next, let's talk about pairing bonus category cards with flat rate cards. Bonus category cards are fantastic when you shop in the right category. A rotating cash back card that gives 5% back at supermarkets or gas stations is a great example. But what about when you're spending outside of those categories? That's where a flat rate card comes in. A 2% cash back card, or a card that earns 1.5 points per dollar, ensures you never waste money on unoptimized purchases. Think of it this way. Your bonus category card is your specialized tool, while your flat rate card is your safety net. Together, they cover everything. Now, if you really want to maximize your rewards, you should focus on transferable reward programs. This is where programs from Chase, American Express, Citi, and Capital One stand out. Instead of being locked into a single airline or hotel program, these cards allow you to combine points from multiple cards and then transfer them to different travel partners. For example, Chase Ultimate Rewards points from multiple Chase cards can be pooled together. Once pooled, you can transfer them to airline partners like United or hotel partners like Hyatt. This flexibility often gives you a much higher redemption value than just taking simple cash back. By combining your cards under one transferable ecosystem, you create a more powerful and flexible reward strategy. Another big opportunity with multiple cards comes from welcome bonuses. Many rewards cards offer huge one-time bonuses when you open an account and meet a minimum spending requirement within the first few months. These bonuses can sometimes be worth hundreds of dollars in cash back, or even $1,000 or more in travel value. By strategically opening new cards over time, you can multiply these benefits. The important thing here is to plan carefully. Don't apply for too many cards at once, and make sure you can comfortably meet the spending requirements without overspending. A well-timed welcome bonus can give your rewards strategy a massive boost. Of course, there's a catch with multiple rewards cards, and that's annual fees. Premium cards that offer lounge access, travel credits, and insurance perks can cost hundreds of dollars per year. Having one or two might be worth it if you're fully using the benefits. But carrying too many fee-based cards without taking advantage of their perks is simply throwing money away. The best approach is to review your cards once a year. If the perks are saving you more than the fee, keep the card. If not, consider downgrading to a no annual fee version or canceling it altogether. The goal is to maximize rewards, not to drain your wallet on fees. Now, let's touch on organization and tracking. If you're juggling several cards, it can be easy to lose track of balances, rewards points, and expiration dates. This is where technology comes to the rescue. Apps like Award Wallet and Max Rewards can help you keep everything in one place. Or you can keep it simple by creating a spreadsheet where you list each card, its category bonuses, its annual fee, and the expiration date of any rewards. A little organization goes a long way toward making sure you're not wasting your hard-earned points. But here's the most important rule of all. Never let rewards tempt you into overspending. This is the biggest trap people fall into. Remember, the credit card companies want you to spend more than you normally would, chasing those rewards. If you carry a balance and pay interest, you've already lost the game. Always pay off your statement in full every month. That way, the rewards stay as a bonus, not a burden. Let's bring it all together. Combining multiple rewards credit cards effectively comes down to a few key principles. First, understand your goals. Second, always use the right card for the right purchase. Third, pair bonus category cards with flat-rate cards so that every dollar earns something meaningful. Fourth, focus on transferable reward programs if you want flexibility and higher redemption values. Fifth, take advantage of welcome bonuses, but do so strategically. Sixth, manage your annual fees and make sure every card is pulling its weight. Seventh, stay organized with tools or simple notes so you never miss out. And finally, always pay off your balance in full to make sure rewards remain an advantage, not a liability. By following these steps, you can turn your wallet into a finely tuned rewards machine. Instead of leaving money on the table, every purchase will either save you cash, earn you travel, or give you perks that enhance your lifestyle. Credit card rewards can be one of the simplest and most powerful ways to get extra value out of your everyday spending, if you play the game smart. So, the next time you swipe or tap your card, ask yourself, am I using the right card for this purchase? If the answer is yes, you're already well on your way to mastering the art of combining multiple rewards credit cards effectively.